Recap, no? Recap. Fraction, index, numerator, and denominator. And there are two common fractions, proper and improper. The proper is the value is less than 1. Improper, the value is greater than 1. Okay? And then you have the four fundamentals of mathematics. There are four arithmetic fundamentals. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Now we apply this one. We have this. Okay? As an example. So we have three examples. 1, 2, 3. Una, double fraction combination. And then the third one is splitter combination of this number. Okay. Going back, a mixed number cannot be simplified together with fraction, proper, or improper. Not unless you will change that into improper fraction. Okay? You cannot combine directly because you cannot determine the value of the its common denominator.